Hello guys, Jeffrey Antonico Diaz here and you're watching the significance of old school technology. In this activity, I'll show you if your computer running Microsoft Windows 7 operating system is ready to connect in LAN connection. Setting up a network is very important in today's world. Most of the companies uses local area network. Networking is essential. It is the act of linking computers so that users can exchange information or share access to a central store of information. Network users are able to share files, printers, and other sources, send electronic messages, and run programs on other computers. This activity would help us determine the factors that we are about to prepare in setting up a network. Device Manager. This provides you with a graphical view of the hardware that is installed on your computer. All devices communicate with Windows through a piece of software called the device driver. You can use Device Manager to install and update the drivers for your hardware devices, modify hardware settings for those devices, and troubleshoot problems. Before making a simple networking, make sure that the device drivers such as Network Interface Card or commonly known as Local Area Network Card or LAN card driver installed properly. Windows Services. You can use the services Microsoft Management Console or MMC snap in to manage services that are running on local or remote computers. For example, to stop or start a service, you can also manage services using the scconfig command. DHCP client. It registers and updates IP addresses and DNS records for the computer. If the service is stopped, the computer will not receive dynamic IP addresses and DNS updates. If the service is disabled, any services that explicitly depend on it will fail to start. Network connections. A network connection is a set of information that enables your computer to connect to the internet, a network, or another computer. When you install a network adapter in your computer, Windows creates a connection for it in the Network Connections folder. A local area connection is created for an Ethernet network adapter. A wireless network connection is created for a wireless network adapter. Don't forget to check if the local area connections and wireless network connections are enabled. Check also the Internet Protocol version 4 and 6 addresses are updated automatically. Computer name. Computers on a network need unique names so they can identify and communicate with each other. It's best to keep computer names short, 15 characters or less and easily recognizable. The standard characters are the numbers 0 through 9, uppercase and lowercase letters from A through Z, and the hyphen character. Computer names cannot consist entirely of numbers, nor can they contain spaces. The name also cannot contain special characters such as the following. Remote desktop connection. This is a technology that allows you to sit at a computer, sometimes called the client computer, and connect to a remote computer, sometimes called the host computer, in a different location. For example, you can connect to your work computer from your home computer and have access to all of your programs, files, and network resources as though you were in front of your computer at work. You can leave programs running at work, and then, when you get home, you can see your work computer's desktop display on your home computer with the same programs running. By default, remote desktop connection prevents anyone from connecting to the computer using remote desktop or remote app. In this activity, we're choosing allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop. Windows Firewall. A firewall can help prevent hackers or malicious software such as worms from gaining access to your computer through a network or the internet. A firewall can also help stop your computer from sending malicious software to other computers. What is network discovery? It is a network setting that affects whether your computer can find other computers and devices on the network, and whether other computers on the network can find your computer.